Hello Alex, thanks for stopping by today. I wanted to talk to you about the classes that we offer here at True Garden. It's the second and third Saturday of each month. We charge $25 for that class, but you'll learn all the basics about using your tower either indoors or outdoors. So come on down sometime and check it out. You'll leave empowered on using your tower, what to grow in it, where to place your tower, different things like that. So we're excited to be part of this. We're excited to get to know Alex and his passion for growing food as well. So come on down, check it out. You can go to truegarden.com under workshops and register for that class. And that way you can learn to grow beautiful food just like I do here in my greenhouse. You don't have to have a greenhouse because you already have a controlled environment in your own house. So check it out. We look forward to working with you. Thanks so much.